Hey everybody, it's Jeannie from Jeannie's Palette, and I am joining you today for a candy cane playlist event brought to you by Take 5, and that is me, the Painted Peach, and Funky Junk Inspiration. Alright, so let's get started. I'm not painting today. I'm going to do something fun that I love miniatures, and that's what I'm going to do. So here's what we have. This is one of those greenery ties from Hobby Lobby. And a little gingerbread ornament. Christmas wreath. Some little red ornaments. And a variety of fun stuff. So let's get started. Now the base for my project today is this little pewter container, vintage container that I got from a thrift store. I love the look of it, and that's what we're going to use as our base. I've already stuffed some styrofoam in here just to give us something to stick our things into. And I was practicing on this little guy. I already stuck him in, so now I'm going to show you how to make him right quick. So we're going to take a little pipe cleaner, glittery. Put your finger right here, and then twist the ends together. And then we're going to do the same thing with a silver one. Just a little pipe cleaner. I think these came from the Dollar Tree. And once we get those wrapped around and into one little stem, we're going to make a candy cane. Now again, this is a playlist brought to you by Take 5. Take 5 is a Facebook group, and the admins are myself, who is Jeannie's Palette, Mary from the Painted Peach, and Christy from Funky Junk Inspiration. And this playlist is hosted by the three of us. Now we're going to put this together here like that. Hold one end and just twist them together to make it look like a candy cane. So we're going to take our little vintage looking candy cane and just put it right in our styrofoam. That's our little start. Now I have a little wood ornament from Hobby Lobby. We're going to paint this up red and white to match. So while that's drying, I'm going to take my greenery. I like this one because it's a little skinny one from Hobby Lobby. They do have them in other places, but I haven't seen them anywhere this thin. And this little tinsel ribbon, it's 20 feet of it, came from, or garland, came from the Dollar Tree. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to wrap it right around our greenery like a candy cane. And then after all the twisting, we just shape it into a little wreath like so. And then we're going to take our little base and put it right on there. Now, hot glue you can melt off. It's not going to mess up our little container at all. So let's get started gluing in all our little pieces. So I have decided, let's just spin it around. We've got all our little stuff, a lot of glue strings, but we can still see green in there. And these little bitty round styrofoam balls. I could put some fake snow in there, but I think these will be perfect for coverage. I'm just going to put those right in there to cover up. So for one last little touch, I'm going to add these little peppermints that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think I'm going to try to stick them in a way that is hidden, and then we don't have to snip it off, but they do break off pretty easily. So we just randomly put a few of them in there, finish her off. Whoopsie. And here it is. I think it is just adorable. And maybe a bigger greenery would have been better on the bottom. I'm just going to slowly rotate it so you can see the whole thing. Of course, this isn't so pretty on the back, but it's okay. It's going to be just hunky-dory. I love it. All right. Y'all stick around, check the description for the playlist of all the other creatives today and see what they are doing with the Candy Cane theme. Ta-ta for now. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you saw something you like.